Length is alive.
Saya mau jeruk ya kan, gua dengar, oh sukses, oh sukses,
Length is alive.
Omen kuat kay kani masa muat na rasir. Spaya sir. Sa divatinom sudas tervi. Hay mut. Rasir. Hay mut staan sa dada. Husuk jastas mo sama. O sana nuwet niya terakray ni. Sana nuwet niya sini. Husuk jastas.
Is dat mijn zuster wat overleden is. Dat ik broeder doodgemaakt. Ons was vandaag aan die hof geweest. Ons het om die moordenaar in die ogen kijken. En ons voorbij is hier en bij je hartseer wat gebeurd het. Ons mekaar maar net bijstaan, die familie. Al die betrekken, al die... Ik kan het explain. Het is de zeer. Bij je hartseer.
That's not defending us as community. It's not about women's, it's not about males, it's about the entire Atlantis. Let's unite and make sure that whoever is killed Antituli, a pensioner, oh my God, doesn't get any bail. He must rotten in jail. Even if he hanged himself, but he doesn't have authority to kill a pensioner like this. Let's unite, let's fight. It's not about Antituli only, it's about everyone that is being killed or being abused in this Atlantis. Thank you very much.
Length is alive.